Nasa toilet kasi. Good morning guys! Welcome back to my vlog. So today is Sunday, May 8th. And today is Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng nanay, mama, inay, sa lahat ng nanay in the world. So kagaling ko lang sa grocery. Bumili ako ng flowers para sa aking biyanan. Yung ano lang to guys, sabihin ko na $27 lang. Kasi yung mga nasa box, sana bibili mo. Kaso masyado siyang mahal, mga 40, 45, 50, 60. And the next day, ano lang naman siya, masisira. So parang nagtapo ng pera. Pero at least napasaya natin yung nanay natin. So wala na akong nanay. So siya na yung aking pangalawang nanay, yung nanay ni Jason. Happy Mother's Day, ma, in heaven. So yung isa na nag-ayos ng mga pinamili ko. No, April 30. Yeah, April 30 dumating na ako dito. So today is May 8. Ngayon lang tayo makakapag-vlog. Then siya na yung nag-ayos ng aking mga pinamili. Yung whole ko sana ay excited po nito. Pasensya sa aming kalat. Makalat talaga ang bahay na to. Dahil Mother's Day, ititrip namin si mother-in-law na lunch. Yung ating pantry, wala nang laman. See? Puro na lang yung mga ano, seasoning. So, wala na rin stock. Hey, babe! They don't have the full cream milk. So, I got the skim milk.
Yeah.
And then
You get what you can.
the bottle of milk. That's it. Pansit. Wala. Hindi ko mapakita. Inunahan ako nitong isa. Ako sana mag-aayos. So, puro na lang yan guys. Ano, seasoning. Ayun pala. Bumili pala ako ng cereal. Yung Milo. Tapos, ayan. Puro na lang yan noodles. So, may dala akong pansit canton. Ano ba yan? Mga biscuit. Yan. Mga sauce. Yan. Yan lang ang laman. Yung fridge. Ano laman ang fridge dong? Wala naman ang fridge dong. Empty na. So, ang na-spend ko today is 200 something. Sabi ko, bibilhin ko lang yung mga kailangan namin dito. Yung mga binili ko naman, kailangan talaga namin dito. Kaso, sabihin mong $100 yung budget mo. As in, kulang talaga. Gawin mong 200. That's my grape. You can have some, babe. Grab some. Kagabi, galing na ako sa bahay nila, madam. Dinala ko yung pasalubong na pilinap. Tapos yung iba, yung peanut brittle. Tapos yung iba, scarf ba yung tawag doon. So, parang yung chismisa namin umabot ng 2 hours. Ang tagal nag-chismisa talaga kami namin nagsa't isa. So, binigyan niya ako ng, kasi yung anak niya bagong lipat, binigyan niya ako ng lemon at orange. Ayan, medyo mapimples nga lang yung, ay, hindi, parang medyo kulubot nga lang yung mga lemon. Kasi dun sa nilipatan ng anak niya, merong tanim na orange at lemon. Ito yung ating lemon, tingnan niyo. Pero salamat pa rin, madam. Busy ang isa. Yung isa naming freezer. Ayan. Kukunti na lang ang laman. So, punuin ulit natin.
It's full.
Full, yeah. Why you want me to eat that outside? Is that smelly?
Yes, Darian, isn't it?
Yeah. I never have that before, so I wanna try it. Tastes so good. It's nice.
Yeah. You don't like it. It's not good. It's disgusting. No, it's not good.
Guys, sa buong buhay ko, hindi pa ako nakakatikim ng durian. So, nakita ko, ito ay $5 na lang. Aray! Nananakit siya. Ayun o, $5 na lang siya. So, grab ko na siya kasi gusto kong matikman kung ano ba yung lasa niya. Kasi sabi nila mabaho, pero masarap. So, gusto ko siyang itry ngayon. Ano ba ang lasa nito? Sabi ni Jason, doon ako sa labas kumain. Kasi mabaho siya. Mapanakit ang kanyang ano. Ito, matutulis na ano. Tikman natin. Ano siya, yung original price niya ay parang $18 yata yun. So, tikman natin kung ano ba talaga. Ano ba talagang amoy nito. Aray! Ano ba ito anuhin? Durian. Tikman natin ang durian. Kailangan ko ganyanin.
I think it's going to smell bad. You might have to take it
Huh?
outside. Might have to take it outside and get a chopping board.
It's okay. They just do like this. Oh.
Does it stink?
Have a stink, but it smell like a little bit sweet. Not really stink big. Maybe it's because this ripe already. But if you get the new one, see, it's ripe. Ngay! It's not really stink. Siguro dahil luma na siya, as in yung ripe na siya, kaya ganun. Pero kung bago siya, siguro maano siya. $5 pa naman to. $5 na lang. Wala namang amoy. Na. How come other people they like it? Maybe because this one is not fresh. That's why. The smell is okay, but the taste is like potato or kamote. Not for me. No, I don't want it, babe. I wasted $5. I just want to try it. I just want to taste it. I'm so disappointed with this. No, nag-waste lang ako ng $5, guys. Blech. No, not for me. Sorry. Nasa toilet kasi. Happy Mother's Day, Ma!
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah, this one is cute.
Yes,
Look.
I know, the rose is
Ang ganda ng flowers, guys. Tingnan, gusto ko to. Girl na girl. Ayan, oh. Ang cute niya, no? Kakamping!
Ready? Yeah.
Kakamping tayo, oh. Why? Why you need a card? So, nandito tayo, guys, sa Broad Meadows Club. Celebrate natin ang Mother's Day! What are you looking for, guys? Your card what? Your membership card.
And the ship car.
Yeah. So magla-lunch kami dito, guys. So dumating na yung in-order ni Habi, yung prawns, corns. Pero yung tatlo nawawala. Nasa na? Ako lang nandito. Nandun sila sa cookies, naglalaro. So, ito yung table namin. Dumating na yung French soup ng aking biyanan, pero wala yung kakain. Where are they? No, it's for your nan, not for your dad.
Dad ordered it.
No?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Is this yours? I thought for your mom.
Nan's got her own. She said she wouldn't be able to eat the soup.
Oh, this is mine. Where's my noodles? Not yet. You got a coffee latte.
Snack entree.
Oh, just snacks. How about you, Liam?
I didn't want an entree, I just want the meat.
Oh, you want the meal? How's the soup, babe?
Just crunchy.
Is that yum?
Bit of onion.
Alright, I'm eating it cold.
Huh? Oh, it's nice.
French onion.
Not bad.
It's very nice, actually.
Kain tayo, guys. Pero yung magse-celebrate ng Mother's Day, wala siya sa table. Nando, naglalaro ng cookies. Where's Liam? Kami lang nandito. Sinundo si Bianan. Kain tayo. Ang sarap nitong ano, French soup. I got pork, barbecue, stir-fry noodle, and some prawn. Yummy. We're looking for Denny Clouds. We are here in
Big
Rojik
enough for her big.
shop. Yeah, I think so. It's all large, I think.
That's medium.
There's small, medium. I think medium.
I have large. Get
I
this.
did have the large.
I don't like it.
You don't like that? Yeah.
I
Just grab the blue one or the black one.
The blue one.
Yeah.
She's a blue. There's more.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I like this one.
The denim jacket. Denim for denim.
Yeah. No.
The dog coat.
Oh, that's cute. And this one, she's a girl.
Oh no, it's too small. You can get that one.
No, this one is better. I'll get that one, yeah. Nandito kami guys sa Kmart kasi si Liam naghanap siya ng heater. So nandun na siya sa cashier, magbabayad na. Nakita ko to, tignan nyo. $3. Gusto ko yung mga kulay na ganito. Ito $6 na lang. Ayan o, $6. Wala eh. $4 na lang siya. Ay! Wala, nakauwi na ako ng Pilipinas eh. Ito o, $5 na lang. Ayan siya. Gusto ko yung mga yellow tag na yan eh. Ito o. Kasi ano na siya. Prices as more. Clearance na siya eh. Clearance sale. Pinapaubos na nila. Ayan o, puro $5 na lang. Pasalubong sana doon. Ano? Ayan, next time na lang. Ayan o. Nagpa-flash ng ating battery. Mamadali yung isa. Tingnan nyo guys oh. Happy Mother's Day! Tingnan yung ibon oh. Oh! May party sila! They have a party. Hang on. Nagmamadali itong isa eh. Ginawa kong driver nito. You wanna put at the back?
Yeah.
Come here, baby girl. Try this one. Come here. Let's see. No. Is that? Oh, no, it's not. It's too small for her. Look. Oh. It's a bit tight. I just like that. Where is the thing? Oh, here. Oh, that's it. Oh, it's very tight.
It's alright, it's a blanket.
Yeah, that's it. You can just wear like that. Yeah. Yay! Say hi to your fans. Yay! I got my uri. I got my uri. So, e-end na natin yung vlog kasi mahaba na yata yung video. So, bumili lang naman kami ng damit ni Denny saka ng heater ni Liam doon sa shopping center. Tapos, bumili kami ng donut. Sabi ni Liam, ito na daw yung kanyang Mother's Day present sa akin. Donut. Nakagantang tala ko dito sa binili kong bulaklak, no? Oh. Kakamping. So, ayan, tingnan niyo. Ang cute nung papuso. Ayan, pink na pink, oh. Parang hindi na tumayimbinan ko kasi ano siya eh, oh. Parang pang dalaga yung kulay. So, nilagay niyo lang dito sa ano, flower vase. Flower glass. So, ayan. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you sa aking next vlog. Please don't like and subscribe. And see you sa aking next vlog. Bye!